Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wildlife is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Welcome to Snook Creek Boat Ramp. Let's go explore this place. Now let's go on the boardwalk. These are all Florida native species. These are red mangroves. They're also called the walking tree because of their roots protruding up from the water like that. I'm going to be telling you some facts about mangroves. Mangroves can be a bit salty. Mangroves are the only species of trees in the entire whole world that can tolerate salt water. Fish flock to mangroves. Mangroves, especially the underwater habitat of their roots, offer critical nursing environments for juveniles of the thousands of fish species, from one-inch gobies to 10-foot sharks. Indonesia tops the worldwide list. The largest amount of mangrove coverage can be found in Indonesia, which is in Southeast Asia, where mangrove trees cover some 23,000 square kilometers, about 14,000 square miles. That's more than twice the size of Jamaica, roughly the size of Vermont. Mangroves give birth to live young, just like mammals do. The mangroves fall off. This is a Florida invasive green iguana that just passed by. Those are coconuts. The green coconuts do not have the good coconut milk, but when they're brown or fall off the tree, their coconut milk is ready. Stop littering in our waterways. It's illegal. Pollutes the environment, and animals can get trapped and they're hurt by, such as that pointy thing on the edge of that can. Right there. State-regulated manatee zones. Please obey the signs that we're building out here. Not more litter again. This is just terrible. I know people don't generally like to clean up after others, but sometimes it's the right thing to do. As long as you wash your hands after, of course. Make sure you wash your hands if you do this. I'll let you know right now. It's good to clean up after others. I know people don't like to clean up after others, but it's good, especially if you want to save the environment and the mangrove habitat. Last one, thank goodness. Yay, we did it! Make sure you do not touch your face after you pick up litter too, because you could get sick. Wash your hands immediately, or put sanitizer on and wash your hands. Looks like a little nest up here in the pavilion. Unoccupied though. See, I participated in a cleanup before. If you want to protect your environment, do it. Join one of these cleanups. Boat ramp time. Well, we're not going in the water, of course, but just to look around. It's a big hole. Oh, this trash is nasty. You know, someone needs to come pick this up. There are 3 types of mangroves: red, black, and white. The ones you see over here are the huge roots protruding from the water are the red mangroves. So you can come here and launch your boat. It's a boat ramp. Hence the name Snook Creek Boat Ramp. Florida native sea grape. Looks like it might rain soon. By Snook Creek Boat Ramp.
What did you learn today?
Adventurous kids.
Adventurous kids.
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous kids.
Adventurous kids.
Adventurous kids.